again. Uh, Today we will explore the different spelling patterns of the na sound. Are you ready? Great. Let's get started. The sound na can be spelled or written as n, as in net, name, nose, mine, never. The letter N usually makes the sound, the N sound, at the beginning, middle, and at the end of any word in English. So this is one pattern of writing the sound N. There is another pattern. Let's go to explore. Also, the N sound can be written as double N, as in funny, sunny, dinner, running, and winner. So the letters NN usually make the N sound when they come together in a word. Now let's explore the third spelling pattern of the sound N. Sometimes the letter K and N combine together, come together. So when the letter the letter K and N are together, the letter K is always silent, and the letter N produces the sound na. So we can simply say the na sound can be written as KN, as in not, as in knee, not, knife, knock, and night. When the letter K comes before the letter N at the beginning of a word, the letter K is silent and the letters K and N made the na sound. Okay, we have another combinations of two letters sometimes come together and they make the sound na. Let's move to explore them. Thus, the na sound can be written as GN, but the G is always silent, as in nat, nom, no, nash, and gnarly. So when GN comes at the beginning of a word, the G is silent and the letters G N together make the sound na. So by now, let's make a quick review of what we have had today. So the na sound can be written as na, as in net, nose, nine. It can also be written as KN, but the K is silent and together they make the sound na, as in knee, knock, knife. The na sound can be written, especially especially at the beginning of a word, can be written as sometimes can be written as GN, but the G is silent. So together they make the sound na, as in nat, nom, no. And also the na sound can be written as double N, as in dinner, funny, and funny. By now, I have come to the end of my session for today. Till I see you, goodbye. This is me from English British Academy. Thank you.